What's up, guys? Today we're playing Sound Burst. It's on ABC, y'all.
And I'll be joining Cutie Girl, also known as Hannah.
I'm gonna do a pretty cool sound. It makes very cool sounds. Press anything.
Okay. It's who can make the best song. Okay, we're just getting set up. Okay, now who can make the best songs? Alright. Ooh, alright. You did the same thing I was gonna do. Alright. Let me try to memorize one. Okay. Okay, I have mine. Okay, don't even ask. Hannah's probably sounded better. But Hannah stole mine. Cutie Girl stole mine.
Wait, I don't know one. Wait, I got one. Wait, let me do mine.
Okay. Alright. My turn, and this will be the last round.
No, we have 5 rounds.
Oh, 5? Yeah.
We have 5 rounds, guys. Let's see who wins.
Okay.
I like yours. Did you like mine? I don't really like yours anymore.
Yeah, I'm just making random stuff.
Yeah, Sam.
Yeah. Hannah stole mine. / Cute Girl stole mine. Alright.
Did you like that? Guys, I hope you like that.
Comment down below if you liked it.
That wasn't really about a song, but okay. It could be the first one. That's weird.
Okay, hold on. Let me just try. Okay.
Do something that I didn't do.
Okay, but I was going to do that. Okay, let me think. Okay.
Sam definitely won on that round. Smashersam. Go check out his videos too. Smashersam. And go subscribe to my videos.
Yep.
And Smashersam. Okay.
Subscribe to. I think you need to subscribe to the channel, not the videos.
Wait, let me get mine.
Alright.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
It's like,
And now it's my turn. Okay, let me just think.
dun, 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 dun.
Okay, let me think. Ooh.
I think you know one that's very good. Wait, this is our third round.
No, it's our fifth.
No, fourth. No, it's our fourth, remember? Do you remember?
Okay. Alright, how do you like that?
Oh, that's kind of, yeah.
Okay, now it's our fifth.
Okay, guys, let's see who wins the final round. Okay. No, I know one. No. Let me think of one.
That sounds very good. I mean, kind of, but kind of not. I don't know. It's pretty good, but it's also pretty not good. Okay, that's it. Alright,
Guys, please tell me you like that.
Alright. This time going hard mode. Okay, let me think of one. Oh,
Wait,
what? Okay. Hold on. Okay, that is not it. I'm still testing.
Okay.
Confused. Okay. Stop it, Hannah!
What?
Press that. Okay, Hannah messed me up, but alright.
I want to win. I mean, I don't like the brr part.
Alright. Comment down below who won. Yeah. That'll be it for today.
It was definitely me, guys. Guys, it was definitely me.
Comment hashtag cutie girl if you think it's cutie Hannah, and comment hashtag smashersam if you think it's me. Alright.
Like Sam, okay? Bye, guys. Thank you for
watching.
Thank you for watching. Enjoy our other videos too.
Yep. Bye.